Hello everyone. Now in this particular video, we are going to discuss question number 12 of GATE DA24 exam. So the question is, three fair coins are tossed independently. So we have tossed the three fair coins. T is the event that two or more tosses result in heads. S is the event that two or more tosses result in tails. And we need to find out the probability of this particular thing, that is T intersection S. So when I toss a three fair coin independently, the sample space is what? For the first coin, say head, second coin can be also head or tail, right? So there are how many possibilities? 2 to the power 3, that is 8 possibilities, right? And that will be a sample space. So it can be all three head, it can be tail, right? One tail and two head like this also. It can be like this also, right? And it can be all three tails also. So this is my sample space in which 8 possible arrangements are possible, right? Now what is T here? What is T here? T is the event of two or more heads. Two or more heads, right? Now the favorable outcome for T is what? Two or more heads. So triple H will be there, HHT will be there, HTH will be there, THH will be there, right? So this is basically a favorable outcomes for this particular event D, where two or more heads will occur, right? So there are four possibilities, right? What about S now? S is the event that two or more tail occurs, right? Tails. Now if you see here, tails is what? HTT, THT. So two or more tails, TTH, or all three can be the tails, right? That's it. So this is the favorable outcomes for this particular event. Yes, that is two or more tails. And what we need to find out? Probability for T intersection S. T intersection S means what? The element which belong to both the event T and S. Now if you see the sample space, what will be the sample space for this T intersection S? Intersection means what? Common elements, right? So do we have a common element here, T intersection? Yes, no, it is not possible, because T is what? Two or more head, and S is what? Two or more tails. And in any cases, both the things cannot be satisfied because we are tossing a three coin here, right? So in this case, T intersection S is what? Empty set. There is no favorable outcomes for this T intersection S because there is no common element, right? So if it is an empty set, so number of elements in the T intersection S is what? 0. So probability for the event T intersection S is what? 0. That is option number A. Okay. Simple question. It was asked for 1 mark. And if you do the enough practice, you can solve this question within 1 minute also. If you have enough practice, you can easily find out. Okay. T is the event that two or more tosses result in head, and S is the event that two or more tosses result in tails. And if you know this sample space, then that's it. You don't need to calculate this also. You can directly say that there is no common element between T and S, so the probability will be 0 only, right? So here it is 0. I hope you understand this particular question and this particular process, what I have done here. Okay, but if you understand this thing, we can solve this question within 1 minute also. Okay, so simple question for 1 mark. So that's it from this particular video. Thank you.